Yo, what's up guys, my name is Aiman and I hope you guys have a great day. Yes, some of you guys maybe know that I will make the unboxing video, so I will do it. So if you guys new in my channel, make sure you guys subscribe my channel and turn on the notification button, okay? So let's get started. Okay, in my hand I have a package. You guys doesn't know what is this, right? So if you guys okay, if you guys follow my Instagram, maybe you guys already know what's in my hand. Yeah, so let's open it. Okay, oh, strong. Just open it. Don't mind the, yeah, it is for wet. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Look at this. Yeah. Okay. This is the Artery Part 2. Okay, maybe you guys know they have two versions of Artery, and this is the two version of the after the version of Part 1, and this is the better version of the Part 1. Yeah, so this is designed by Tommy B Projects. You can see his name here. Okay, why brightness. Okay, this is by Tommy B Projects for you happy wet experience. Okay, we have let's see, this is the website. Okay, so I'm not a part expert, so I'm just doing unboxing, not a review. Okay, so don't say anything. Okay, it's part of, yeah, my contents. Okay, let's continue this video. We will open this. Okay, just open this. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, so what you got if you buy this Artery Part 2, you got Artery Part 2. Yeah, you see, you will get a manual book, but nobody read the term. Well, I don't know what is this. Warranty card. We have, yeah, warranty term. Micro USB and extra OCC. Oh, we have another one. This is like a cartridge cover when you want to put the flavor, and this is the extra one. Okay, that's okay. Let's put it back. Okay, I just show you guys what's inside the box of the Artery Part 2. So let's see what's Artery Part 2 model. Okay, okay, this is the Artery Part 2. This is created by Tony B. If you guys doesn't know who is Tony B, he is the YouTuber who already made the review about web, port, nanostick, and yeah, this is his design and a better look of the Artery Part 1. Okay, let's open it. Why is camera? So I get the back material. Yeah, the back edition. They have many colors, just like I know, red, blue, purple, black metal, and the new one is rainbow. So I got the black edition. So I want to shout out to the Paper Hook Cheras for give me this the lower price that I can get in 85 ringgit. I see on the web store at Melo, this cost almost 125 I think, but I got the lower price. This is the lower price I can get. So you can, if you want to get this pot on the lower price, you can follow this number. Yeah, you can check the Instagram. So let's get back to this pot. Okay, what you can see on the first, you look on the Artery part 2, you can see the firing button, and this is the airflow. Yeah, wow, it's nice. You know, when you see this, the airflow, you have a one line over here. I don't know you can see this, but you have a one line over here. So if you vaping, you sometimes you blocks the airflow, so the airflow can go through here and go inside. Yeah, it's good, nice. Yeah. So let's open this. So you can see there's like this. It's a magnet. Okay, a magnet. You can see a magnet over here and here. So it's very good. Yeah. I love the sound. Yeah, I love a magnet sound. Okay. Okay, let's just go to the inside of the battery part 2. So we have, so this is the, yeah, you see inside the box that you can open this, the way you put the flavor inside. You can put the flavor inside. So if you want to open this, you need to push. It said the push, and then you pull it out. Sorry guys, I'm not really good with this. Yeah, it's so tight. Okay, okay guys, this is the cartridge. You can see the cartridge over here, and yeah, this is the airflow. You can see the airflow over here. You can adjust the airflow here. Very nice and simple. Okay, so guys, I will teach you guys how to put the flavor inside this cartridge. So firstly, you need to remove this, the OCC out. This is the, yeah, doing this. I don't know what to say, but yeah, this is the OCC, and its size is 0%. Yeah, you can see 0.6, and we have the extra is 1.2. Okay, but I don't know why they make the two type of OCC, 1.2 and 0.6, but I think I better the 0.6 because the more smaller it is, the more good firing it is. Okay, so yeah, let's try put it inside the flavor. Okay, so in my hand I have a 4 type of flavor, so I don't know which one I want to use, so it's hard to make decision. So I think I will use the caramel. Yeah, okay, first thing you need to try the OCC. Put some of this OCC inside here, only 1 drop, and it is all over here. You need to try it. Okay, and then you need to put inside the cartridge bag. Okay, done. And then we put the flavor inside the cartridge. Yeah, to open it and put it inside. Oh. Okay, close it. Okay, let's push this set box back. Oh, so hot here. As you can see, today is so hot. So let's get back to this thing. Okay, after you put the flavor, you put it back inside the pot. Yeah, then close it. So if you want to start the pots, you need to click 5 times until the LED light turn to blue. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it's already on. So let's prepping. As you can see, this is so cloudy, and yeah, if guys know about Tony B, is more his likes the pot or the wet more cloudy than is more many. Yeah, he likes more cloudy, so this is the good one. Yeah, nice. So here the thing I know about the triple two is so good, and yeah, it's very cheap. You can, as I said, you can buy it on the Weapon Hub Chigras. So shout out to the Weapon Hub Chigras for giving me this low price. Okay, it's so good, and yeah, I love this triple two because it's very compact, and the battery is not like the wave. It's so big, and yeah, it's so big and not what I say. It's not can take so long on one house, and you need to charge is very long. But Ultra 2 he have a fast charging, and yeah. So as you can see, this is the airflow. You go around here and go inside. So inside here you can setting the airflow. So pretty nice. You can setting the airflow over here. Okay, I want to say something to you guys. I want to say why you need to buy the pots. Then better what you want to buy a cigarette. Okay, here the what's thing you need to know. If you want to buy the cigarette, for me, I'm a smoker, and I in one week I smoke in 2 box, and 1 box is rokok sedok. Orang tahu kan, kalau orang Malaysia rokok sedok, they have I smoke 2 box, and 1 box price is 6 ringgit. Yeah, 6 ringgit, and you in a 2 box in 1 week you plus it in a 12 ringgit. It's a 1 month. Let's see, 1 month. Don't say anything, guys. Don't say anything. I'm not good with the math. Let's see. 6 plus 6, 2 box and equal 12. 12 in 1 week. But if you make it in 1 month, so it's a 48 ringgit. 48 ringgit in 1 month. You make up the money for the cigarette. But if you use spot, it's only cost the first modal you will opt is 85 ringgit. Okay, that's the full modal. Okay, and then first you need to change the OCC in two weeks. You need to change the OCC. The OCC in smaller is only price 50 ringgit, and the flavor, my brother use a flavor is can that's along almost 1 month. Okay, one flavor is cost 20 ringgit. It's depend on the what flavor you use, but so my brother use a 50 mg. It's only cost 20 ringgit. It's only cost 35. Okay, so you can see you can saving your money on 30 ringgit. So it's more cheapest if you use a pot. Yeah. Okay, so we has come to the end of the video. So before I end the video, I want to make an announcement that in the 21 July, yeah, 21 July, I will go to the Penang and I will make a vlog about that. So stay tuned, guys. If you're new in my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram for new updates. So let's end the video. So see you guys for the next video.